Today we will introduce 1 pound Espresso's coffee maker. This is the package. Open it. This is the portable coffee maker. And this is like the capsules. Easy to open it, then put the pounders inside it. This is for the coffee pot. Just put it here, and this one has already cleaned it. And about this material, this one, but this one cannot. And then we need to finish to put the pounder into the capsules. This one to take out. We don't need this one. Okay. We need to pound it. Here, you can find the green and red area. We need to press it to the green, not red. Press this key to the top and spread the bottom. Pound it. Okay, now you can find it on the green, not red. Then we pour the hot water into it. This one, the water. Okay. Put this capsule. And then lock it. You can find this one. You must lock by this area, or when you use it, the press may be easy to open it. Okay. Yeah. Now you got 1 cup of espresso coffee. That's it. Great.